Some children were asked how many television programs they had watched on the previous day. The table shows the result. In this question, television programs is the subject. Therefore, number of children are frequency. Write down the largest possible value of x given that the mode is 1. So this 1 is the mode. Therefore, this 9 will be the highest frequency. Therefore, there will be no frequency of the program watched that can be more than 9. Every frequency will be less than 9. Hence, the value of this x will be, it will not be more than 9. So, its maximum value can be 8. In the B part, write down the largest possible value of x given that the median is 1. Here, this median is 1 here. So, let me write this frequency table in a raw data form so that you can understand in a better way. What does this 7 frequency mean here? It means that 0 appeared 7 times in the raw data. 9 frequency mean that 7 appeared 9 times in the raw data. This frequency 3 means that 2 appeared in the raw data 3 times. No, we don't know how many times this 3 has been appeared. But according to the information in the B part, median is 1. As we have to find the largest possible value of x, in which the median is 1. So suppose there are 9 ones here. Let's start from this right side. And let's take this one as the median. If this one is the median, then it will be in the center of the data. So let's see how many values are on left side of this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there will be 15 values on the right side as well. And we have 3, 2 here. Therefore, there will be 12 these 3's on the right side. In that case, we will have 15 values on the right side of this median and 15 values on the left side of this median. In this case, the value of x will be 12. Now suppose these 2 ones are in the center of the data. Even then, the 1 will be the median because 1 plus 1, 2 divided by 2 is 1. In this case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 values on the left hand side. And we have 3 values on the right hand side. So we still need 11 values so that we will have 14 values on the right and 14 on the left. So in this case, those 11 values will be 3. Therefore, in this case, x will be 11. What if this one is the median? In this case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 values on the left hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4 values on the right hand side. Therefore, we need 10 more and those 10 values will be 3. 10 threes. Therefore, here the x will be 10. In a similar way, if we keep on taking different possible medians, we can find different values of x. By observing different scenario, we have observed the maximum value of x can be 12. Therefore, the final answer of this B part is 12. In the C part, calculate the value of x given that the mean is 1. The formula of mean is summation f of x over summation f. So let's plug in the value here. Here the topic of the question is television program. Therefore, number of programs watched is x and number of children are f. Now multiplying each x by f, 0 into 7 plus 1 into 9, 2 into 3 and 3 into x. This will give us f of x. And then add all these f in the denominator and it will be equal to 1 because mean is 1 given in the question. Just simplification here and then cross multiplication, and after further simplification we will get x is equal to 2. Some children were asked how many television programs they had watched on the previous day. The table shows the result. Here the question which was asked from the children is how many television programs. Therefore the television program is the subject of the question and the number of children is the frequency. Write down the largest possible value of x given that the mode is 2. As the mode 2 is the mode, so this 9 will be the highest frequency in the table. Hence, in this case, x will be not 9 and it will be not more than 9 or 9. It will be less than 9. So its maximum value can be 8 then. Write down the smallest and the largest possible value of x given that the median is 2. To understand this part, let me write this frequency table into a raw data form. So 0 has frequency 7. It means that 0 appeared 7 times in the data. 1 appeared 6 times. 2 appeared 9 times. 3 appeared 2 times. And we don't know how many times 4 appeared. We have to find the value of x. As 2 is the median, let's start from the right side and take this 2 as the median. So there will be equal values on the left hand side and the same values on the right hand side as well. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21 values. There are 21 values on the left hand side of this 2. And there must be 21 values on the right hand side. In that case, we will have the equal values on the right hand and the left hand side of this median 2. There are 2 values already there on the right hand side. We need 19 more values on the right hand side. So it will balance 21 values on the right and 21 values on the left hand side. And those 19 values on the right hand side will be these 4s. This 4 appeared 19 times on the right hand side of this median. Now suppose instead of this 1, 2 is the median, we suppose these 2 are the medians. So 2 plus 2 is 4 divided by 2 is 2. Still the median is 2. 20 values on the left hand side. And now there must be 20 values on the right hand side as well. In that case, we will have equal values on the right and on the left hand side. Now we have already 2 values on the right hand side. Now we need 18 more values. And those 18 values will be 4. There will be 18 4s. Hence this x is 18 in this case. Now if we keep on doing this drill, and suppose these 2 are median now. In this case, there are 13 values on the left hand side and we must have 13 values on the right hand side as well. But right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 values. We must have 13 values on the right hand side as well. So there will be 4 more values and those 4 more values will be all these 4s. So there will be 4 4s that will make 13 values on the right and 13 values on the left hand side. Now we have x in this case 4. Suppose this 2 is median now. Now we have 13 values on the left hand side and 10 values on the right hand side. To make it 13 values on the right hand side, there will be 3 more values on the right hand side, and those 3 will be 4s. So there will be 3 4s that will make us 13 value on the right and 13 on the left hand side. Now in this case, this x is 3 now. Now by observing all the scenarios, we have observed that the maximum value of x can be 19 and the minimum value of x can be 3. Calculate the value of x given that the mean is 2. This is the formula, fx, summation fx divided by summation f. Just multiplying these x values which are programmed washed by f, 0 into 7 plus 1 into 6 plus 2 into 9 plus 3 into 2 plus 4 into x. And just adding these f will give us the denominator. And now just doing simplification and just doing cross multiplication and further simplification, x is 9. Some children were asked how many television programs they had watched on the previous day. The table shows the result. Here again, the question asked from the children is how many television programs. Television program is the subject of the question and number of children is the frequency. If the median is 2, find the value of y. Let's convert this frequency table into a raw data form. This 0 will appear 7 times, 1 will appear 3 times, and 2 appear 1 time. And we don't know how many times this 3 will appear in the data. As the median is 2, therefore there must be equal number of values on the left hand side and right hand side. Right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 values. And there must be 10 values on the right hand side. And those 10 will be these 3's. This 3 will appear 10 times in this raw data that will balance 10 values on the right and 10 values on the left, and median is 2. Therefore, this y is 10. If the median is 1, find the greatest possible value of y. To find the greatest value of y and the median is 1, let's start from the right side and take this 1 as the median. Now there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 values on the left hand side, and there must be 9 on the right side, and still we have 1 value on the right. We need 8 more, and those 8 will be these 3's. So there will be 8 3's that will make us equal values on the right and left hand side. Now the y is 8. Now suppose these two ones are the median. In the center of the data. Even then the median is 2. 1 plus 1, 2 divided by 2 is 1. Now in this case we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 values on the left hand side. We must have 8 values on the right hand side. Right now we have 1 values here. We need 7 more numbers on the right hand side to balance equal values on both sides of these central values. Therefore, there will be 7 more numbers, and those 7 will be 3's, all 3's. So there will be 7 3's on the right hand side, which will balance 8 values on the right and 8 on the left. Now the y in this case will be 7. Now suppose this one is the median here. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 values on the left hand side, and we must have 7 values on the right hand side. Right now we have 3 values. We need 4 more values to balance the number of values on both sides of this median. So there will be 4 values, and those 4 will be all these 3. So there will be 4 3's here. In this case, y will be 4. Now just observing all the scenarios in which the median is 1, the maximum value of y will be 8 and the minimum is 4. But we required to give the greatest value. So here the y is 8. A TV program list show that a film begins at 21:55. The film lasts for 100 minutes. At what time will it end? Express your answer using 24-hour clock. The duration of film is 100 minutes. And you know that 60 minutes makes 1 hour. So this duration of film is 1 hour 40 minutes. If we add these 40 minutes in the starting time, 55 minutes plus 40, it will be 22:35. And now by adding this 1 hour, the ending time will be 23:35. Time taken by an athlete to run 3 races were 3 minutes 59.1 seconds, 4 minutes 3.8 seconds, and 4 minutes 1.6 seconds. Calculate the mean time. One method is that convert all the times into seconds and then calculate the mean. The first race is 3 minutes 59.1 seconds. 3 minutes is basically 3 into 60, 180 plus 59.1 seconds. So this will give us 239.1 seconds. In the same way, 4 minutes 3.8 second mean 4 into 60 plus 3.8. It is 343.8. 243.8. And the third race, 4 minute 1.6 second. 4 into 60 plus 1.6. It is 241.6. By dividing 3, we will get the average to 41.5 seconds. Now we know that 60 seconds make 1 minute. So 60 plus 60, 120 plus 60, 180 plus 60, 240. So there are 4 minutes and 1.5 seconds. Because 4 times 60 is 240 and we still left 1.5. This diagram shows a gauge for measuring the water level in a reservoir. Reading in meters taken over a certain period were as follows. From these readings, find the difference in meters between the highest and the lowest level. From this data, we can observe this is the lowest value and this is the highest value. And maximum minus minimum, 0.3 minus into minus 2.3, 2.6. The difference is 2.6. Now to find the median, we have to arrange these numbers. Here the smallest value is minus 2.3. So that the numbers are arranged from the lowest to the highest. So this is the middle value and this is the median. To calculate the mean, we will add these values and divide the number of values. If we add this 0.1 into minus 0.4, it will give us minus 0.3, and this will be cancelled out with this 0.3. The mean is minus 0.8. The height of 40 children were measured. The results are summarized in the table. Identify the model class. The highest frequency is 20. Therefore, 125 to 135 is the model class. Calculate an estimate of mean height. Mean is summation f of x divided by summation x. To find f of x, we need x first. X is the middle value of this class interval. It is obvious the middle value is 110, or you can calculate this middle value x by adding these two and then divided by 2. That is the mid value. It is 110. Now by observation, the middle value of this interval is 120, and likewise. Now we will multiply these x with f, that will give us f of x. Summation f is the sum of these frequencies, and it is mentioned here it is 40 children. The following are the scores of 13 students in a mathematics test. State the mode. Mode is that number which appear most of the time. In this data set, 1 appeared 1 time, 5 appeared 3 times, and likewise here. So therefore, 5 appeared 3 times, and it is the number which appeared most of the time. Therefore, 5 is the mode. Find the median score. To find the median score, we have to arrange the data by taking the help of this table. We have arranged that this is the arranged data lowest to the highest, and this 8 is in the middle of the data. This is the median. Calculate the mean score of the test. For that, we have to add all these numbers and divide by the number of the values, and number of values are 13. It is written here 13 students. The mean is 10. What the number x is added to the above set, the new mean is 10.5, and calculate the value of that new number x. The sum of all these numbers is 130, and now we have added a new number x. The sum will become 130 plus x, and now the total number of values have become 14. 13 plus 1, 14, and the mean is 10.5 of these new 14 values. Just doing cross multiply and solving the equation, the x is 17. So the new value which is added into the given data set, and that is 17. The median of a set of 8 numbers is 6. Given that 7 of the numbers are here, find the 8th number. 7 numbers are given. We have arranged these given 7 numbers from the lowest to the highest. Now you can observe 6 is the median, and median is always in the middle of the data. Median will be somewhere here, and there are 4 values on the left hand side, 1, 2, 3, 4. There must be 4 values on the right hand side as well. 1, 2, 3. Right now we have 3 values. The 8th value must be greater than 5, because median, that is middle value, is 6. It cannot be 5 or less than 5. Suppose 6 is the 8th value. In this case, we have 8 values, even number of values. When we have even number of values, there are 2 numbers in the mid of the data, and these 2 will be in the mid of the data. In this case, the median will be 5 plus 6, 11, divided by 2, 5.5. But median is 6. So this 6 is not the 8th number. Let's try 7 now. Now these 2 numbers will be in the middle of the data. By adding these 2, 5 plus 7, 12, and 12 divided by 2, 6. 6 is the median. and 6 is actually the median. So the eighth value is 7. The mean of set of 7 number is 4. Therefore, the sum of those 7 numbers divided by 7 will be equal to 4. And by cross multiplication, the sum of those 7 number will be 28. And the mean of another set of 13 number is x. So sum of the 13 number divided by 13 is equal to x. And the sum will be 13x. Now we have obtained the sum of the 7 numbers and the sum of the 13 numbers. Given that the mean of the combined set of 20 numbers is 6.6, calculate x. So 13 values plus 7, 20 values. And the sum of these 20 values is 28 plus 13x. And the total number of values are 20. And mean of these 20 combined values is 6.6. And now just by cross multiplication and further simplification, the x will be 8. The marks of 10 students in a test are given here. Find the mean mark. Just add all these marks and then divide by the 10. The mean will be 24.7 of these 10 students. The marks of another 10 students for the same test are given below. Write down the mean mark for these 10 students. Again, add the numbers and divide by 10. This is 16.7 marks. Calculate the mean marks for the 20 students, 10 students and 10, 20. To find that, we need sum of the 20 student, and the sum of the 20 student is 247 plus 167. That is, Daya played 3 games of cricket. His mean score was 9 runs. His median score was 8 runs. His highest score was 7 runs more than his lowest score. Find the number of runs he scored in each of the 3 games. As there are 3 games and the lowest score is x and the highest score is x plus 7. These are the score of the 2 games. So one score of 1 game left, and 8 is the median. So the central value will be 8. The mean of these 3 games is 9. So the sum is the sum of these 3 values. By cross multiply, we will get this equation, and after solving this equation, the x is 6. Therefore, the lowest score is 6. The middle score, which is median as well, 8, and 6 plus 7, 30. Daya battled in a 4th game. The mean of his 4 scores was 11 runs. Find the number of runs that Daya scored in the 4th game. The mean is always sum, the divided by the number of values. This is the sum of the first 3 games, and this is the score of the 4th, which is x, divided by 4. The mean is 11, given in the question. By cross multiplication and then solving the equation, x is 17. Therefore, the score in the 4th match is 17. The mean of a set of 9 numbers is 4, and the mean of another set of 20 number is m. Given that the mean of combined set of 29 number is 14, calculate m. Mean is basically the sum divided by the number of values. Therefore, the formula for the first 9 number is sum over 9 is equal to 4, and the sum is 36. Sum of the first 9 member is 36, and in the same way, the sum of the 20 members is 20m, Therefore, the sum of the combined 29 members, 20 plus 9, 29 member will be 36 plus 20m. Just cross multiply. So this will be 18.5. A student scored 12, 14 and 18 marks in the 3 of his maths test. In order to achieve an average of 22 out of 4 tests, how much he should score in the 4th test? Average is basically the sum, the number of values. So therefore, the sum will be 44 plus x divided by 4 and the average 22 given in the question. After cross multiplication and further simplification, the score in the 4th test must be 44 to achieve the average of 22.